What's up YouTube students, is your boy right here, Glory George, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing to you guys one of the ultimate trading strategy that I use. Like, this strategy has been working for me and I'm sure it's gonna work for you guys, right? So before I start in this video, I just want you guys to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel because we are heading over to 100 subscribers. I think right now we are about 93 subscribers, so add up your own subscribers. Please subscribe to the channel and also leave a comment if you have any question or you have any idea to share with us. So thanks for doing that, and let's get right into the video. But before I start this video, I want to tell you guys something. I trade using Trendline and I trade using support and resistance, but majorly I trade using Trendline. Now, if I see that the setup that requires me to use the Trendline strategy is not playing out in the market, I leave the market, I leave the chart. There is no need forcing the markets to play according to what you're looking for. For example, if you're using Trendline strategy, and for Trendline strategy to work, there must be a setup for Trendline strategy. Like, there must be that uptrend or there might be that downtrend, right? So if I see that the market is consolidating or the market is ranging, I avoid the market. I don't want to do anything. I just want to leave the chart, leave the market, because my setup is not playing. I don't want to force the market to start playing according to what I want, because if I force the market to, I will end up losing money. So if I see that my setup is not playing according to what I want to see, or according to the strategy that I use, or the setup in the market is not playing according to the strategy that I use, I completely leave the chart. I remove my MT4, my MT5, and then I go do something else. So that's something for you guys. So let's start the video. So this strategy I'm going to teach you guys is what I call the Trendline strategy. So before this Trendline strategy work, you must identify the trend of the market. Either the market is going bullish, which is going up, or the market is going bearish, which is going down. So let me give you guys an example right here before we go live into the chart. If you're enjoying this video up to this extent, please subscribe if you haven't. So guys, if you see that the market is creating this series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows, you will see that the market is moving this direction. So you see that the market is bullish, right? So the market is bullish. So for you to be able to draw a trend line for this, what are you going to do? For you to be able to draw a trend line like this, you will if the market is in an uptrend, you will connect the higher lows and you will connect the higher lows with the other higher low with the other higher low. Let me not confuse you guys. So the first thing you want to do, if the market is on an uptrend, the first thing you want to do is to connect the higher low, that is the swing higher low, down to the previous higher low, just like this. Do you guys understand something? Okay, let me not confuse you guys. Let me do it well. For example, the market is creating something like this, something like this, something like this, and something like this. So what you want to do is to connect this point, which is this one, all the way down here, and then you connect this one, right, all the way down here. Now this thing you've just created is what we call a channel. I hope you guys understand. This is what we call a channel. Now, when deciding to trade trend line, is either you want to trade the continuation of the trend or you want to trade against the trend. I don't know if you guys understand, but let's just get into it. Now, the market came here, touched this our trend line right here. This our trend line, this our upper trend line served as a resistance that pushed this market down. The market came and touched on our trend line down below. The market pushed all the way up. It came again, touched this our trend line right here. It pushed all the way down. Now it came again, touched this our trend line down here and pushed all the way up. It means that there's a possibility that when the market comes to test this our resistance, this our trend line again, the market will push down. Now you don't just jump into the trade like a novice or someone that doesn't know anything about trading. You make use of what I call candlestick knowledge. Like, you make use of the knowledge you've gotten from candlestick to check if truly the trade is valid. For example, at this point right here, if I want to sell this market, I'll be looking out for bearish engulfing candles, engulfing candles right here, or I'll look out for other candlestick that show reversal of the trend line. So if the market is going up right here and then I want to say, I'll look for bearish engulfing candle that's going to give me confirmation that this trade is going to go all the way down. Then all the way down here to this point, I'll be looking for bullish engulfing candle that's going to tell me that the market is going to go up. And when the market go up, you'll see that this trend line has already hit 1, 2, 3. Now the fourth time this market is coming here, the market might likely touch this our trend line right here and bounce all the way up, or the market might touch this our trend line and this our trend line will serve as a resistance that will push the market all the way down. So I hope you guys didn't get confused. If you're confused, just replay the video all over again. So let me show you guys on a live chart, or let me show you guys on a live example. So this is what I have right here, and I drew a trend line that connected this point right here all down to this point. Now market touched this my trend line with this wick right here and it pushed all the way down. It came again, touched our trend line, pushed all the way down. Came again for the third time, touch our trend line, pushed all the way down. If you can look closely, it almost touched our trend line and then it's pushing all the way down. So it means that this our trend line served as a resistance that pushed this market all the way down. That's why you see that the market is going bearish, because this our trend line is serving as a resistance. Right, this our trend line don't want the market to move all the way up. It's serving as a resistance that keeps pushing the market. So if the market comes all the way here again, I'll be looking out for a sell, but don't just jump into the sell. You wait out for candlesticks that will give you confirmation that it is going to go bearish, like the market is going to go short or the market is going to fall. You don't just jump into the trade like someone that doesn't know how to trade. So let me show you guys another one right here. So as you guys can see, I drew a trend line that connected this point all the way down here to this point. So what happened? Let us explain what price did. It came all the way here, it retraced back, came again for the second time, it retraced back, came again for the fourth time, it retraced all the way back, came again for I think the fourth time, it came all the way back. Now it came again for the third time, it pushed a little down, then the bulls took over and pushed the market up. So that's what I'm telling you guys. Say that the market came all the way to this point. The market came all the way to this point. But why did the market not fall when the market hit this point right here? This point. Why did the market not fall when it hit this point? Because the bulls take over. So if the price the market actually hit this trend line and then we order for a sell, you see that we are going to lose the trade. That's why I say that you don't just jump into the trade. You wait out for candlesticks that are going to form, which are going to give you confirmation that the trade is going to go bearish. Okay guys, let me show you guys this stuff right here. Are you guys seeing this candle up right here? Right, so as you guys are seeing right here, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and bearish engulfing candlestick pattern signifies that the trade is going to go bearish, and you guys can see the trade went bearish. Right, then it came here again. You see that the sellers, they got momentum. As you can see, the buyers, they ended with this wick right here. They ended with a long wick, signifying that sellers, okay, the market opened in this so the market opened right here, and then the market sellers were able to push the market all the way up right here, and then it closed all the way right here, and you guys are seeing this wick up right here. So the market came here, it touched, sellers took over and market all the way down. You're not candlestick actually really matters when trading. You don't just trade like a novice. You trade like someone who has the knowledge about trading. You don't just jump into a trade because the setup is playing according to what you're looking for, or the setup of the market is playing according to what you're looking for. Your knowledge of candlestick actually really matters. Even till now, I'm still learning candlesticks and how they form and how to use them in the market. I hope this video has been educated you a lot, or has revealed to you something. Please, if it has, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also turn on the notification bell so